Well, I was having issues walking and with my my left hip, and it was giving me some pain. I mean, it wasn't restricting me from doing a lot of stuff, but I could feel it walking. People would walk behind me and say, "What's wrong with you the way you walk?" And I started getting numbness in my leg, left leg and my foot, and it got to be more and more and more all the time. I've had it for a number of years, but it just is getting worse and worse. So after my wife came here, I brought her every trip. I finally talked to Grant here, and he said, "Why don't we see if we can help you out?" And that's what started my journey here with integrated pain. My name is Rick, and I'm from Wausau. I was walking kind of with a limp, and people could see it because what's wrong with you when you're walking? And I worked in a manufacturing plant. I'm retired now, but I worked in a manufacturing plant. And I had to go out in the plant several times a day and walking that long distance. Sometimes it was so painful I couldn't hardly make it. And I like playing golf and stuff, so it affected me. So that's why I decided I'm going to try to do something about it. Like I said, my wife had started here. We had seen you on TV and decided to give them a call. I came out for a consultation with my wife, and she went through her treatment. And after that, I decided, hey, maybe I'll take a look at me and see if they can help me out. I explained Grant my problems and took the x-rays and then came up with a plan. So that's how I got here. Well, Dr. Grant was really very polite, very professional, went over my x-rays with me, showed me what I had going wrong, what my options were, and what plan they could do to help me relieve some pain. And they, like I say, with my hip replacement, they thought I could have down the road, they can extend that. They thought at least 10 years. So Dr. Grant was upfront about that. And my neuropathy, Dr. Grant said, we can improve your neuropathy. We can't do it 100% cure, but we can probably give you 60 to 80% improvement, which like I said, it was getting bad, so I was looking for some improvement there, especially being a diabetic. That's one of the things that goes along with that, and that doesn't just cure itself. So, we'd never had laser therapy before, but it was interesting. And I did feel relief going through this after my 12-week session, coming here 25 times, getting the laser every other time and stuff. So it really did wonders for me, I feel. And I never had it, like I said, so I had nothing to compare it to. But laser therapy it's good. It felt good, and when I walked out of here, you felt a little bit different. So I was pleased with it. Although the laser therapy had no pain at all as far as being done, I felt nothing. I mean, you get a little warmth there, but it really was no pain at all. I mean, it was just kind of relaxing. Really, you almost could go to sleep while you're getting the laser treatment. Going through these treatments here, it didn't really, it helped me along. I was able to just continue on long. I didn't really have any issues with the treatments. I could just carry on every day, and every treatment I felt improvement. So it just kept going on and getting better and better. And then when I got done with the treatments, we decided to go on the maintenance program. Dr. Grant talked to us about that, and I decided to go on that program too. So it's been very beneficial. I walked away from here feeling really good about the treatments, and I want to continue in the maintenance program, and it's really helped. Well, I'm walking a lot better, by all means. I'm able to ride my bike a lot better, taking longer walks. I do golfing, and that's helped on my swing. It doesn't improve my game, but it helped me on my swing because my hip was not real good. So after getting the hip straightened out, it's really helped me on that. So, but I don't feel the pain like I did before. I can ride my bike longer now, and I can walk a little farther. And I still have a little limp, but it's not painful. I think I just got in a routine of walking that way. It just hasn't gone away because people say, "Well, I thought you were, you're better now." And I say, I'm a lot better. I don't have the pain. Integrated Pain Solution has helped improve my lifestyle tremendously.